All right, we have our building here. We want to actually start placing this on sheets and get this printed to PDF. And so let's go up to our View tab, and there's going to be a button here called New Sheet. And so we're going to click this. By default, Revit has this E1 loaded in, and we're just going to click OK. It's not the title block we really want to use, but I think it's a good place to start. And so let's go up here to our insert command, and we're going to go to load Autodesk family up here. And this is going to open up Revit's browser of families. And I'm just going to check my region. So if you're using Imperial, you might want to change this to be whatever country and its units. I'm going to stay in Imperial. We're going to go down here to title blocks, and there's going to be 11 by 17 title block. I think this is a really good title block to work with for design. And so we're going to load that in. And so now that we have that loaded in, we are going to click on our title block here, and we're going to change this to be 11 by 17, and that's obviously going to shrink that size. So that's how to create your first sheet within Revit.